Before you click off this video, I'm going to show you all the NFTs I got for free, and I will donate one myself to anybody who comments in the section below. Now that you're hooked, let's get on with the video. So first of all, what you're going to need is an OpenSea account to store your NFTs. And to get an OpenSea account, you're going to open a MetaMask account, which is basically just a Chrome extension, which looks like this. Once you have your MetaMask account, you will go onto OpenSea and open your account, and it should just be a couple clicks. Now that's the easy part. Let's get on with how to get those free NFTs. What you're also going to need is Discord and Twitter. On Discord, you're going to join NFT launches. Those servers will give out new NFTs and giveaways to newcomers to publicly expose their own NFTs and create clout. And almost all the time, the only thing you have to do is give out your MetaMask address, and this MetaMask address is the one they'll have to link to give your NFT, and you will see that NFT in your OpenSea when you receive it. So the only thing you have to do is go into these servers, go into the giveaway section, copy paste your MetaMask address, and then you only have to wait until they give you the NFT. If you do this often enough, there's a higher chance of you getting NFTs, but I didn't even do it that often, and I got 4 NFTs for free on Discord. Another way you can do this is go to the server called rarity.tools, where you have all the upcoming NFTs that people are launching on their Discord and Twitters. Here you have all the accounts and how you can join them. I haven't used this one personally, but I know from past experience that people have said it worked really well. I will link it in the description below. A little personal advice: on Twitter there's also a lot of giveaways, but those giveaways have bigger participation, and therefore it's less likely for you to get an NFT for free, and you're going to have to put in more work and join in more giveaways. So if I were you, I would stick to Discord servers. Finally, you don't need a spam, you just have to join as many Discord servers as you can and paste in your MetaMask address. So to resume, the only thing you have to do is copy and paste your MetaMask address in those giveaway sections, and you should be good to get your free NFTs. I also left some of those servers and later on still got those NFTs. So even if you do so, you can join 100 servers, copy and paste your MetaMask address and leave those servers, and you'll still be able to get those free NFTs. If you stayed till the end of the video, thank you. And I'll be giving out 1 free NFT to somebody who comments NFT to the moon in the comment section below. And with that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.